another day.
Orlando's pretty much 5, 6 of us. Fishing today.
Yep. Hopefully we catch. Where's Vito? Missing in action. Over there already. He's somewhere down there. So far I got 2 out. Everybody's gonna go ahead. We gotta... And many more to come. Second time, but he's gonna come here more later. In bed. My bed, hopefully. Well, get ready. See what happens. That's a big bone, yeah. Oh God, that's thick. Oh, it's gonna be a while. There's sand. Getting ready to eat. I know.
Oh, mine is the same like your brand. What is that?
Phoenix.
Yeah, same.
Yeah. Check out Vito. See what we got. Vito caught one. I don't know. Yeah, I thought him coming down over here. I don't know how Vito does it. Yeah! What is it? Wheel? Papillo! Yay!
They're here, they're around.
See, they're coming, they're coming.
Yeah. Ooh. Good size, good size.
Go like this to your head. Go like this.
Oh, it's my lighter.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
Yeah, this
Oh
is a good eat
boy.
one. Nice size, baby.
Right. Good job, Vito. Give me that hand, man. Yeah.
Oh, the bowl was like, oh, I see it. Oh.
Yeah, let's go, man. Put it away. Throw it back out.
What's that?
Throw. No, put the fish back over there and then.
Rolled up.
Yeah, get some more.
The 2 hook I just finished. There, these 2 hooks. Oh, he ate the last bait. And the second one.
Nice. Good job.
Oh, let's
good
go
job.
put the pound. Yeah. Yes, sir.
That's about 2,
Like 1 pound.
maybe 2.
Holy shit. Yes, sir. Good size, good size. Who's that? Who's that? Noel. Is that Noel? Is that? Oh! Bravo! Oh, after I throw that ball, I just walk here and I was like, oh, your ball!
Oh, look like it's some weight. Oh, yo. Boy! Oh, they're here. On the board.
I'm going home now.
Ah!
Turn off the light, baby.
Woo. Check it out. First one for tonight. Oh, 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 oh. Not bad, not bad. Oh, yeah. Nice size, yeah. They gonna swim towards me. I'm like, oh, it's gone. Oh, it's still there. All right. Still early. Get some more.